Awesome. All right. Well, hi, everybody. So when I was thinking about what I wanted to present here at Finovate, for some reason that old TV show, Where in the World is Carmen Sandiego, kept coming to my mind. And for those that aren't familiar with it, it's a kids' detective show where you're basically following clues to solve a case. And that kind of got me thinking. That's basically what customer service is like today. Every interaction is a case. It's a question, it's a problem, it's something that needs to be solved. But the challenge is, as companies are pushing towards efficiency, oftentimes the customer experience starts to break down. Agents lack context, customers repeat themselves, and costs go up. But at Talkdesk, we don't think that you should have to compromise or choose between efficiency and experience. That's why we use a hybrid workforce model combining agentic AI and human agents to resolve customer cases with the right resource at the right time with full context. So today I'm going to introduce you to our digital investigator powered by agentic AI and show you how Talkdesk can handle use cases of varying complexity in a way that's still going to be proactive about your members' needs. Now, I'm going to start off with some multi-factor authentication just to verify my identity. I'll move into some of the more common questions you probably get in your call centers today, and then I'll show you how Talkdesk can not only take some of those more complex use cases, but about how we can actually promote your product offerings in a way that's relevant to your customers. So that being said, I'm going to go ahead and call in and see what our digital investigator can do for us today.
Thanks for contacting Talkdesk Bank. I'm your digital investigator. What mysteries can I help you solve today?
Hey, I just had some questions on my account.
Before I can help you solve those mysteries, I need to verify your identity. I sent a 4-digit code to the mobile device on file. Can you tell me that code before we proceed?
Yeah, it is 3698.
Wonderful. Thank you for verifying. What account questions can I help you with today?
Could you just tell me my current balance?
All right, I'm reviewing the clues. Let me pull up your accounts. Are we looking at checking or savings?
Oh, checking, please.
The numbers check out. $1,824.34 in your checking account. And $1,324.34 is available to use. What other cases can I help with?
I deposited a $500 check yesterday. Has that not posted yet?
Looks like the trail is still active on that check. It hasn't posted yet. Based on Talkdesk Bank's policies, it's scheduled to clear by May 8th. What other mysteries can I help you solve?
¿Hablas español?
Claro, hablo español. ¿En qué puedo ayudarte con tu cuenta hoy?
Just kidding. I have not taken Spanish since I was in high school. Can we go back to English, please?
Back to English it is. What other account mysteries can I help you solve today?
So I'm actually getting married, and I wanted to open up a joint checking account, but I don't know what documents I need. Can you help me with that?
Congratulations! That's a huge step. I can absolutely send you the information for opening a joint account. Would you like me to text the list of required documents to your mobile device on file?
Oh yeah, that'd be great. Thank you.
Great. You should be receiving a text shortly. One more thing I came across while reviewing your account. You're pre-approved for our Purple Platinum card. It includes a no-cost authorized user, which could come in handy for shared expenses like a honeymoon. If you're interested, I can walk you through it.
Actually, that's okay. Could I just talk to an agent, please? All right. So I'm going to put myself on mute here and answer this call. That way I don't get any feedback. And I'm going to pause there. So we just saw a lot in a little bit of time. So we saw multiple levels of cases, all handled by agentic AI, from multi-factor authentication to even a credit card promotion, just based on the context of that conversation. And the best part, you actually don't need to rip and replace your current contact center to take advantage of these types of AI. So Talkdesk overlays seamlessly over your current infrastructure so that any contact center can have these type of experiences for their customers. Now, as an agent in the Talkdesk workspace, I come into this conversation with full context. Not only do I have a transcript I can search, I can generate a summary of the conversation so far, and I even have information on the caller, like where they might be calling from and what type of phone they might be calling from. But the efficiencies don't stop there. So with Talkdesk Client 360, you actually get a comprehensive view of your caller all within a single pane of glass. So we offer a consistent bidirectional data flow with your financial core so that your customer agents always have the most up-to-date information right at their fingertips, no detective work required. And because that data flow is consistent, that means the information I'm looking at is the same type of information that Carly here would also be looking at, so I always have the most accurate info to help her with her needs. So in conclusion, what did we just see? Every interaction is a case. It's resolved instantly by AI whenever possible, but humans are still able to step in when needed with full context. No repetition, no friction. The business outcome is better. There's faster resolution, lower costs, and just a better customer experience overall. That is what it means to have a true hybrid workforce, and that's what we're delivering with Talkdesk. So if you'd like to see how we're automating other flows in the banking industry, or if you'd like to see how this experience you just saw today could actually be used internally to coach your agents live on calls, feel free to come say hi and stop by our booth. Thank you so much.